Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, we'll talk about how long an SD card can store video recordings from your camera.
Hi Rocky, I've got a question about the A2R camera model. If I'm using a 128 GB SD card, how long is it going to record?
Good question. The recording time actually depends on a few things. Mainly the camera model, the video resolution you choose, HD or FHD, and the SD card capacity. Let's take a few examples to make it clear. For the A2R model with a 32 GB SD card, you can record about 13 days in HD mode or around 4 days in FHD mode. A 64 GB SD card roughly doubles that, about 27 days in HD and 9 days in FHD. A 128 GB SD card can store approximately 54 days in HD or 18 days in FHD. And with a 256 GB SD card, you will get up to 108 days in HD and 36 days in FHD.
Wow, that's quite a difference between HD and FHD.
Exactly. Let's look at another example. The S7 low power battery camera with a 32 GB SD card. It can record around 12 days in HD and 3 days in FHD. A 64 GB card doubles that to 25 days in HD and 6 days in FHD. With 120 GB, it can record about 51 days in HD or 13 days in FHD. And finally, a 256 GB card allows around 102 days in HD and 26 days in FHD. Different camera models and recording settings can affect how long your SD card lasts. So it's always good to check the specification. To make it easier for everyone, we have included a comparison chart showing storage time for different models and card capacities.
Wow, this table is very clear. Thank you for your hard work in making it.
And that's it for today's video. Now you know how the SD card capacity, camera model, and recording resolution affect your recording time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.